Hello everyone. Today I'm in my fan workshop, and today I'll be making a video of this 30-inch Heritage Rainbow 6-blade ceiling fan. I found this fan during 2015 cleanup week. It's one of the 3 ceiling fans that I kept that I picked up. The rest were given away to another collector. But anyway, I actually have 2 of these rainbow fans. I have this Heritage one, which was in worse condition, and the other one is a I believe it's either a Harbor Breeze or some sort of Alexis branded ceiling fan. It's a better quality version of this, and it's a much nicer version of this one. These are actually childhood fans. The other one, which has the light kit, which is yellow right here, that's my childhood version, which is in mint condition, so I keep that one inside my room. And then this one, which is in worse condition, I use it in here in the workshop. And every year or so, I like to switch out my ceiling fans with a couple of these other ones that I have in here. But anyway, yeah, I'll turn on the light kit here. Works just fine, as you can see. And also, as you can see, I bought these nickel pull chains, which is fan and light. They're kind of cheesy, but I kind of liked them, so I set them up on this fan. But anyway, I'll start it up on high normal speed. Here's medium. And low. There really is almost no difference between medium and low on this one. And off. And I'll turn it on reverse here. And here's high on reverse. Here's medium. And of course, low. And again, almost pretty much no difference in the speeds, medium and low. And off. Alright, thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.